Dear students, in this video I am going to take the examples. Fine. So before going to take the example, first what is the conclusion of the test? Conclusion says that un by un plus 1, take the limit. If this limit is L, then series un converges if L is greater than 1. दैट मीन्स यू कैन अंडरस्टूड, इसको आप ऐसे समझ सकते हैं कि यू एन बाय यू एन प्लस 1 इज ग्रेटर देन 1, बिकॉज दिस इज ग्रेटर देन 1. दैट मीन्स यू एन इज ग्रेटर देन यू एन प्लस 1. दैट मीन्स मोनोटोनिकली decreasing. Fine. So you can understood that. Similarly, series un diverges if L is less than 1. That means un upon un plus 1 is less than 1. That means un is less than un plus 1. That means monotonically increasing. Fine. And test fails when L is 1. So this is the conclusion. Fine. तो इसको आप ऐसे समझ सकते हैं. Let's see examples. Discuss the convergence of the following series. 1 plus 2 raised to the power p divided by this, 3 raised to the power p divided by factorial 3, 4 raised to the power p divided by factorial plus is this, p is greater than 1. Similarly, 2 factorial by 3 plus 3 factorial divided by 3 square plus 4 factorial divided by 3 and so on. 1 by 3, next example, 1 by 3, 1 into 2 divided by 3 into 5, 1 into 1, 2 into 1 into 2 into 3 divided by 3, 5 into 7 and so on. Similarly, the fourth example is summation x raised to the power n divided by 3 raised to the power n into n square, x is greater. Here this different example is different from this because here x is involved. X is a variable quantity. X is a variable quantity. Similarly, in the fifth example, x is involved. So whenever x is involved, we are having different cases. ये ध्यान रखना, जब भी x इन्वॉल्व होगा हमेशा अलग अलग केसेस बनेंगे. फाइन. So x raised to the power n divided by a plus factorial of square root of n. So we are having 5 examples. Let us see one by one. Let us see one by one. So first example is this. Un is equals to n raised to the power p divided by factorial n. So un plus 1 will be, just replace n by n plus 1. So we get this. Take the ratio. So we get n raised to the power p divided by factorial n into n plus 1 factorial divided by n plus 1 raised to the power p. So take n plus n common from here. So n raised to the power p will be n, cancel out with this. So ultimately we get here. Similarly, this can be rewritten as n plus 1 into factorial n. ठीक. So this can be rewritten as n raised to the power p divided by factorial n into, here this can be written as n plus 1 into factorial n divided by n 1 plus 1 by n raised to the power p. This is n raised to the power p. This is cancel out with this. This is cancel out with this. So ultimately n plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 by n raised to the power p. Fine. So this is written here. So again take n common here. So again take n common here. So this is this. So n upon 1 power will be less, p minus 1. So taking the limit, so n upon this, taking the limit, we are getting infinite because this will be 0. This will be 0. So denominator में 1 आ जाएगा. So this will be infinite. So un is a convergent series because this is greater than 1. So this is greater than 1. So this is a convergent series. Fine. So here L is greater than 1. Second example, un is factorial n plus 1 divided by 3 raised to the power n. So un plus 1 will be n plus 2 divided by 3 raised to the power n plus 1. n की जगह n plus 1 किया तो ये आया. Just take the ratio. So we get ultimately after simplification 3 by n plus 2. Taking the limit, so we get 0 because this will be infinite. That's why 0, which is less than 1. So diverge. So here L is less than 1. So diverge. Now the third example, un is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into n divided by 3 into 5 into 7 2n plus 1. Ratio will be un plus 1, 1 into 2 into 3 into n plus 1 by this. So un upon un plus 1 will be this ratio. This can be rewritten as this, taking the limit, ultimately limit will be 2, which is greater than 1. So this is a convergent series because here L is greater than 1. Fine, L is 2. Similarly here, the fourth example, un is equal to x raised to the power n divided by this. So un plus 1 will be this. Take the ratio will be this, 3 into n plus 1 whole square divided by n square into 1 by x. So just divide by, take n common here, so we get 1 plus 1 by n whole square into 1 by x. n square से n square cancel हो जाएगा, so 1 by x. Take the limit, so limit is ultimately 3 by x, क्योंकि लिमिट आप n पे ले रहे हैं तो x is left. So now depending upon this ratio, if this ratio is, this is L is 3 by x. Fine. So now if this limit is greater than 1, if this limit is greater than 1, that is x is less than 3, so series convergent. If this ratio is less than 1, that means x is greater than 3, so diverges. And when x is equal to 3, test fails. तो ये टेस्ट फेल हो जाएगा. Then how to find out? So that's why just put x is equal to 3. Put x is equal to 3 where? Here. तो यहाँ हम x is equal to 3 पुट करेंगे तो 3 raised to the power n divided by 3 raised to the power n. 3 raised to the power n से 3 raised to the power n cancel out, 1 by n square left. So यहाँ 1 by ये होगा 3 raised to the power n divided by 3 raised to the power n to n square is 3, so 1 by n square. So which is a p series? P series with p is equals to 2, so a convergent series. तो इसका मतलब x इक्वल टू 3 पे ये कन्वर्ज करेगी, तो ये भी कन्वर्ज करेगी और यहाँ पर भी ये कन्वर्ज कर रहा था, तो दोनों को मर्ज कर दिया. सो x इज लेस देन इक्वल टू 3. सो इसका मतलब सीरीज कन्वर्जेज इफ x इज लेस देन इक्वल टू 3 एंड डाइवर्जेज व्हेन x इज ग्रेटर देन 3. सो दिस इज द कंक्लूजन. फाइन. सिमिलरली दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल. फाइन. तो इसको भी ऐसे ही करना है, आप देख सकते हैं इसको करना और खुद से समझना. फाइन. ठीक, थैंक यू.